50th episode of Fab FAQ Fridays. I can't even believe it. Oh, we have to have a sip now that we cheers. Oh my gosh.
To the 50th.
To the 50th. I was just telling Leanne, it feels like just yesterday we started these videos. I can't believe it's been 50 already.
She's too sweet. I look like it's been 50.
So for this special 50th episode, I thought that it would be a great idea to go back and just talk about what each of our favorite episodes were.
Okay, you go first.
Okay.
What was your favorite?
My favorite, and I can't remember what number it was, but my favorite was when we had Associates on Demand, Kimberly Pecula, on the episode to talk about when and how to bring an associate into your practice. I think that is so important for clinics looking to grow and expand. And so, yes, that is my favorite. Associates on Demand, they are amazing. If you are looking for an associate, or if you are an associate, get in touch with them. They are fabulous.
True. They're very, very, very helpful. It's amazing.
What about yours?
I'm all about the energy and re-energizing and what you can do for each other and the team. So I'd have to say it was that episode where I asked you that question and you gave the answer about, just really focusing on what's best for the team and growth, etc. And
I think that was episode 41. I think.
Oh, look at her!
I know.
But I just think that's so important. And as you go into the new year, I would like you to say, continue to do that for each other. Pause. Don't care so much about the details, and just continue on the path of becoming better and with ease. And so it's like the calm confidence that Cesar Millan talks about. I have a dog, so and that's what we want for you as well. So happy 50th.
Happy 50th. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you for 51 next week.
51. Whoop, whoop. Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Thanks.